Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make German potato pancakes. These pancakes, made of shredded potatoes, are most loved in the Rhineland area of Germany, but are very popular in other regions too. You can enjoy them in many sweet and hearty variations. In this video, I will show you a hearty recipe with an amazing dill dip and smoked salmon. This dish does not take a lot of time, but it will impress your guests at a fancy dinner party as the presentation has a great gourmet look. But now let's get started with the recipe. Wash and peel the potatoes. Then shred them. I do this with my new Bosch shredder and slicer, but you can also easily do it by hand. Peel and shred the onion as well. It is important to press out as much water as possible before you add the potatoes to the bowl. Heat the oil and Butterschmalz in a large non-stick skillet on medium-high. The Butterschmalz or clarified butter is optional, but it gives a wonderful buttery flavor. Add the eggs, salt, pepper and flour and mix well. Depending on the kind of the potato, you may need to use a little more flour. Add 2 tablespoons of potato mix to the pan and flatten out. Depending on the size of your pan, you can add several of these. Bake the potato pancakes on both sides on medium heat until they are golden brown and the edges are nice and crispy. Then remove them from the pan and let them drain on a paper towel. Keep them warm in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit until all potato mix is used up and you are ready to serve them. Serve them with the dill dip and smoked salmon. You will find the video recipe for the dill dip in the description. Guten Appetit!